Hello everybody, this is Jessica with Stamp a Blessing, where I stamp to cheer the brokenhearted and connect all of my friends to Jesus. Today I am sharing very quick one scrapbook layout that I created for my oldest daughter's graduation from 12th grade high school. She's done. She is my first homeschool graduate, and I'm so happy to share this layout with you. I went ahead and used one of the kits from our kit collection called Your Day to Shine. Indeed, perfect for a graduation layout. And also I used the cap and gown stamp set to embellish a little bit. I always have to put a little bit of stamping in there. I am so blessed to be able to testify through my scrapbooking and use what we have to just tell about His wonders. The Lord gave me a promise many years ago that He would be with me all the days that I homeschool my children. He called me to do this crazy thing, and I am enjoying it, and now I get to see the rewards. She's a sweet lady. The Lord has been very good to us, and I am so proud of her. So thank you so much for listening. Again, this is an 8.5 by 11 layout. I hope you enjoyed it. I have a scrapbook club going on called God is in the Story, because He is. Isaiah 54:13 says, all of your children will be taught by the Lord, and great will be your children's peace. And that's the promise that I abide and that I'm trusting that He is taking care of all my children. Thank you so much for being here. Connect with me at stampablessing.com or email me at stampablessing@gmail.com. Thank you. It is a joy to have you here. See you next time. Bye-bye.